looking at some cool mouse trail effect, and I think I have got an idea for a cool mouse trail effect I want to make. So in this video, you're going to learn how to make a cool mouse trail effect using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But wait, before anything, I have to show you the mouse trail effect. Where is the mouse trail effect? Where did I put it? No. Can't find it anywhere. Oh, maybe. Oh. What? No. Oh, no. Where did I put this? The mouse trail effect. Stupid mouse trail effect. No anything. So, anyways, this is the mouse trail effect. Now, you see, this effect, it looks a bit complicated. I mean, just look. You might be wondering what kind of trigonometry I used to make it. Well, I didn't use any trigonometry, because making this effect is actually very simple. And today, I'm going to walk you, or... Yeah, wait, what? And today, I'm going to take you on a trip to how I made it. Yeah, okay, that wasn't the used correct English, but okay, so the most important thing in all of this is opening up your VS Code. I'm going to click on open folder. Maybe I should stop teaching you how to create folders in VS Code. I mean, you are experienced coders. Experienced coders know how to do this basic stuff by now. First, I have to create an index.html and an index.css and an index.js. Just final. So, in the index of HTML, you have to go HTML5. HTML5 is the most useful thing. I wonder why it isn't in some other text editors. First, have to link to the JS. And then link to the CSS. href, not source. What is wrong with you, Habib? So, wait a minute. This is meant to be style sheet, not style chat. Okay. So, next we get the HTML, copy paste, and paste the path in the browser. Oh no. So, wait a minute. Why does this look so weird? This isn't index.js. What is this? A comma? Oh no. This isn't a JavaScript file. It's just an ordinary text file. Never make such mistake again, Habib. So, yeah, after fixing that small oversight, we finally have our blank page ready to go. Blank pages are cool, but what's even more cooler is, well, doing something with the blank page. Sadly, HTML, we won't need you forever. So, everything is going to be done in JavaScript and, well, CSS. The only reason why I said HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, since HTML is technically necessary to do it. So, enough with the bluff, let's start making. So, for the most important thing is to how do we make the effect? Well, we can use an on-mouse move listener, the most simplest option. Wait a minute, is this meant to be document.onMouseMove? Ah, silly bee. Got let statements already. Let div is equal to document dot create element div and now you get another div element, div dot append. Wait, so you don't get another div element. Now what you can do is that I can use this to get it. Not really anything happens, eh? I am going to set the div dot, what do you call it again? Is div dot inner text. But text content. I'm going to set it to hello. So now once the mouse moves, it will append hello to the div. So basically, once the mouse moves, it's going to add this div to this document. And so we get a bunch of hellos. Now, well, I'm not really here to say hello to all these people, all these non-existent people. Now, if you break down the example I showed you earlier, you will find that the example I showed you earlier is nothing more than a div following the mouse. Yes, it is nothing more than a div following the mouse. So, the most important thing, the entire base of this effect, is how do we get this div to follow this cursor? You might be wondering, how? Well, to get the div to be following the cursor, right? I can set the div's position to absolute, and I can set the div's translate, which is like, it's basically just like a position property, to $0, 0, 0. Just joking. You set to e.client x px, and then e.client y px. Strange. Nothing happened. I wonder what's the problem. It seems to be mysterious. The problem is never going to be fixed ever. The problem has suddenly been fixed. Great, I guess. Well, we get this, which can be best used to serve as a miniature drawing app. But we don't want miniature drawing apps here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change this div into a circle. But how? First, I would give the div a special class. Before, I used to think that if I wanted to do this class, it's actually called class name in JavaScript for some weird reason. Even though when you use HTML, it's actually called classes. It really doesn't make any sense. So you get class name as div, which doesn't do anything at first. So then, right, dot div, dot div, last name is equal to hello, not that. So I will set the width of this fair dividend to 50 pixels, and the height of this fair dividend again to 50 pixels. Since those values are apparently the best, I set the background color to crimson. You get there. Get out of here, text. So you got this text content out of here. Nobody cares about text content. I set the border radius to 100% since circles are just more fitting for a cursor than, well, squares. Cool. But if you look closely, you see, dun dun dun, the circles aren't at the center of the mouse pointer. Just look, so ugly. So how do we center the cursor, the mouse pointer? We can get the div property and we can minus it by its offset width. Its offset width is basically just a fancy term for width, and then divide it by 2. And then we can get this offset height and divide it by 2. And offset height, again, is just a fancy term for height. Yikes! What happened? Didn't work? Ooh. Reload. Oh, how creepy. It didn't work. Oh, whatever. I'm going to set this to since this width and height is 50, I'll just change this to 50 since it doesn't seem to be working. And now it works. Lesson learned. If you create an element in JavaScript, never ever try to use offset width or offset height on it, or else you are going to doom yourself. So we've constructed the base of the entire effect. Now, if we look at the effect again, the example again, you are going to see that the example actually, these circles, they disappear after some time. So how do we make the circles disappear? This is very simple. You can get the set timeout. A set timeout is like, it's a lifesaver in this case. Without it, we would have been doomed. Although I'm not really sure if we actually would have been doomed. You can write document.body .remove child, and then we can write div, which every 1,000 seconds it is going to remove it, which creates this nice snake game. But snake game, well, we're not making snake game here. We're trying to make a cool mouse trail effect. So, if you looked at the previous mouse trail effect, you see that it's kind of like there's a trail, and is like the trail is following you. There's an evil enemy following you. How I implemented this, the effect that you see here, how I implemented it is so simple that even a baby could do it. The most important thing is you need animation. I will name this animation key, and I will set it to 10 seconds. I'll set the animation duration to 10 seconds. What? Oh yeah, and I'll set the animation iteration count to 2. And then I will say at keyframes, key do, which do is not really. I will write from opacity 1 to opacity 2. I'll set the animation fill mode to forward, which will make it so that when the animation ends, it won't return back to its original state, since I don't want that. Also, it's meant to be opacity 0, not opacity 2. Okay. Great. But where's the cool effect? Well, we just have to increase this. We just have to make the amount of time it takes for the element to be removed. We just had to set it to the same sec as the animation duration, which in this case is 2 seconds. I'll set that to 2 seconds, and you see that now we've got it again. Yeah. Oh no, that is creepy. Yeah, maybe let's not put this animation forward. Oh wait, what was I doing again? Let me increase the animation duration. I set the animation fill mode to forward. Yikes. There we go. Important. Make this shorter. It's already taking too long. That was an important notice. Make it shorter. Now I'm going to change its color from. Now I'm going to change its background color from crimson to black to make it look like sort of burning. How long is this video? 16 minutes, not too long. So, next we need to give it a background because these two circles are just fighting on nothing. To give the background, we look at the background. Wait, no, it's body. Background color. Wait, let me check my folder. Where is it? No. Whatever. Anyways. Back to what I was saying. I can set the background to crimson again. Oh, no, this is not what I want. Oh, what I want to do. I can set the background to crimson again, but I will just make it lighter. And maybe I could give it a sublinear gradient from a beautiful crimson to pure orange. What's happened? Background size. Background size to cover. Yikes. Background. Background. No. Background size. Oh, no. What's happened? Background size is equal to 100 SVH. Height is equal to 100 SVH. There we go. What was that? Finally, I'll use color picker. Turn it to a more better orange. There we go. Anyways, that is the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.